Good afternoon. My name is Matlabalo Kadia Dimakazo, and this is my CIC 2601 portfolio of evidence. I am a student from University of South Africa. The lesson topic is photosynthesis for the grade 5s. Now, the lesson objectives are learners should be able to explain the term photosynthesis, to be able to write down the process of photosynthesis step by step, to be able to identify what is it that is needed for this process to take place, to be able to know that what is it that we hope to gain from this process, or what is it that human beings gain from this process. Now, first of all, questions that will be asked. What is photosynthesis? What are the factors, natural factors, that are used for photosynthesis to occur? What is it that human beings benefit from this process? Now, can you explain the process of photosynthesis? Now, this is the activity that will be given for them to write down the process of photosynthesis in words. Now we have the sun providing the plant with light energy. We have the water, which is absorbed, as well as nutrients from the soil by what? By the roots. Now we also have the gases that are absorbed by the plant, right? In order for it to outtake what? Oxygen. And now we also have this after photosynthesis, which is food. Now, what is photosynthesis? The process whereby plants create their own food, in a simpler term. Now, what is it that is needed for photosynthesis to occur? Light energy, carbon dioxide, water, nutrients. That's it. Now, what is it that we gain from photosynthesis? We gain food from plants, and also we gain carbon dioxide. Now let's explain this procedure. The sun provides the plant with light energy, and it also absorbs water and nutrients from the roots, and then it also intake carbon dioxide in order to outtake what? Oxygen. And after all this process, we gain what? Fruits, which is made by what? The plants. Now, the digital tools that were used. A YouTube video explaining how photosynthesis occurs, so that learners can be able to learn through those diagrams. Things like gases cannot be seen. So to make sure that they understand, they need something they can see visually, or they can visualize, in order to see those gases coming from out of no space to the plants, and also the plants releasing them. That way they can be able to explain this process word for word. Now, to make sure that they understand, they are given a project to craft a plant out of recyclable materials. Craft a plant out of recyclable materials, and then they will be in groups, and then they will explain the process while holding that diagram. This will be able to benefit visual learners. Now, to also make sure that they understand, they will be solely given a 1-minute paper, which is more like a quiz, and then they will be writing down what is it that they understand about the topic up to so far. That way I'll be able to see those who are struggling and those who need more effort. And then that's that. Thank you.